Barbie is a doll who has always been known for her perfect looks and endless possibilities. But in the new Barbie movie, she learns that it's not about being perfect, but about being true to yourself and following your dreams.
I used to think that I had to be perfect to be happy. But I've learned that perfection is boring. It's much more fun to be yourself, even if you're not perfect.
Barbie's journey of self-discovery teaches us a lot about how to develop ourselves and become the best versions of ourselves. Here are a few lessons we can learn from Barbie. Lesson 1. Be true to yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not just to fit in or please others. Embrace your unique talents and interests, and don't be afraid to stand out from the crowd.
I'm not a perfect doll, but I'm a good friend, a good daughter, and a good sister. And that's all that matters.
Lesson 2. Follow your dreams. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't achieve your dreams. Set your sights high and go after what you want.
I've always dreamed of being a fashion designer, and now I'm living my dream. It's never too late to start chasing your dreams.
Lesson 3. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is a part of life. Everyone fails at some point. The important thing is to learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward.
I've failed a lot in my life, but I've never given up. I've learned from my mistakes and become a stronger person because of them.
Barbie's journey of self-discovery is an inspiration to us all. She teaches us that it's okay to be imperfect and that we should follow our dreams and never give up.